Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to link your YouTube channel to Epidemic Sound. Before we start, if you don't have an Epidemic Sound account yet, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to get a 30-day free trial. You'll be able to test premium music, sound effects, and the main features without paying during the trial. So it's the best way to follow this tutorial with your own account. Alright, so first off, go ahead and click on your profile right here at the bottom left, click on it and click on account. Now once done, tap away. And then go ahead over to the top tab, click on Save List, click on it. And then in here, just go ahead over to YouTube and click on YouTube channel. And in here, all you got to do is just basically type down your channel's name. Say, for example, I have this channel right here. Wait for the drop down and you'll be able to find it. Okay, so just click on it. And if you can't see your specific channel, you can just go ahead and log into that channel's email. Okay. So just click on it, and then once that's done, wait for it to load and click on Add It. And then after that, you're good to go. Your channel is now connected to YouTube. Now, why do we want our channel to be connected to Epidemic Sound? So this is important because when you go ahead and download music right here or sound effects, you won't get copyrighted. All right. And if you do want to know more about Epidemic Sound, go ahead and check our channel out. We have a ton of videos for you. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.